Hi, my name is Jasper. This is Drone Club. We get licenses to fly drones and do other stuff we learn science about flying drones and stuff like that. This is my first year joining the club. I've had an interest in drones for probably the past 5 years. I've always wanted a drone for Christmas or my birthday, and it's always just been sort of fun for me to do. This is one of the beginning drones we fly. It's a tele drone. It's mostly for indoors. I mean, you can fly outdoors, but it's not really meant for that. It's pretty small. You control with an app on your phone. It teaches me about airflow. You can do flips on it and stuff, which is pretty cool.
Hi, my name is Brooke Dobson. I'm in 8th grade and I've been working with drones for about 3 months. I found an interest in drones because you get to find out how they fly and how they work. I like the combo of being able to take pictures and also being able to know how to fly them, because you get to take really good pictures at good angles, and also you just get to know how they work.
Rob Lynch, Heritage Middle School. This is my 22nd year at this school. I have been teaching computer science all day long for the last 7 years. We got into drones because we have a group of students here at the school that run the gamut of income levels, and I had lots of students who said that it'd be really cool if they could fly a drone. I had no idea what was involved in learning to fly drones or legally flying drones here at the school, that sort of thing. So part of my grant that I got last year was the ASU ASAP program, which gave $2,000 to teachers to go out and buy equipment for their STEM programs at their school. I also got the Wishes for Teachers grant, which was an additional $2,500. With that money, $4,500 last year and an additional $2,000 this year, I was able to buy 5 Tello drones, 3 DJI drones, and then 2 first-person view drones. Ultimately, I hope that they have an appreciation for the science and the technology and the engineering and the math and everything that's going into flying the drones. Behind me, we have the Real Flight Simulator, and we have put some drones up there that don't have onboard avionics. So if you take your finger off the stick, you crash. So they have learned a few lessons electronically. We haven't broken any drones just yet, but electronically we're learning to fly the drones around. We're appreciating the forces that are acting on the drone while it's flying. We were out several weeks ago flying a drone over the roof of this building, trying to find somebody's earbuds. And they were flying in a wind that was probably around 7 to 8 miles an hour, but because of the onboard avionics on the drone, it was able to stay in a hover position. So ultimately, what I hope that they learn from all of this is an appreciation for all the letters of STEM, go on to think about a career in science, that sort of thing, and perhaps professionally flying drones in whatever capacity that would happen.